Welcome back. We are back in the Owahis, the Wilson Creek Trailhead. I think we're gonna go up there. So yeah. My grandpa had a dog named Wilson. He loved that dog. It's a fucking nature show! Welcome back. We're almost to the top. Just wanted to stop and point out the weird duality of the world where I'm in this beautiful nature on this mountain and there's about 1,000 bajillion cows down there about to go to market. Yeah, it's the fucking nature show. Welcome back. My advice for you today is make sure to clean your belly button. You know, it's easy to forget about that little guy. You know, you can use a Q-tip. You know, they have those little ones that kind of look like a little ice cream scoop, or like a, you know, so you can just kind of melon ball the lint right out of, you know. Anyways, windy. We are up here. We're almost to the top. Looking out for snakes. I want to find a snake, actually. It'd be kind of fun to show you guys a snake, but this place is cool. Man, look at these rocks. Haven't seen one yet. Nothing. Check all these crevices, you know? Never know what's gonna jump out. It's getting windy. We're gonna make it, you guys. I don't know if I can carry you guys up there. Here is everywhere. I think this is the farthest I can carry you guys up. I mean, that's... How are we gonna get up that, huh? It's the backside. You like that backside? Don't look at it. Hey, whoa. It's not yours. It's everybody's backside, okay? All right? Well, that's it. Made it to the top. Beautiful. Hope you enjoy getting up here. I'm gonna try to fly the drone. I don't know, it's pretty windy today. We'll see. Yeah. It's a fucking nature show.